10 reasons to eat avocado every day. Avocado is one of the most popular fruits in world cuisine, enjoyed in both sweet and savory dishes. Besides being delicious, it is highly valued for its numerous health benefits. Rich in phytonutrients, avocado helps prevent cardiovascular diseases. However, many people still have misconceptions about this fruit. Stay with me to discover 10 reasons to include avocado in your daily diet. And if you watch until the end, I'll share a delicious avocado mayonnaise recipe. Take a moment to let me know if you can easily find avocados in your area or if you grow them at home. Benefits of avocado. Avocado is an excellent source of energy, improves intestinal function, has anti-inflammatory properties, and aids in bone formation. It strengthens the immune system, fighting free radicals and protecting cells from carcinogenic substances. Glutathione, a powerful antioxidant found in avocado, is essential for the body, and avocado offers the highest concentration of this substance among foods, followed by watermelon. The healthy fat in avocado is beneficial for cholesterol levels, helping to improve your rates and prevent heart disease. Debunking avocado myths. For years, avocado was wrongly condemned as a fatty and unhealthy fruit. Recent studies have shown that this idea is completely outdated. Avocado does not cause weight gain. In fact, it provides numerous benefits. What really contributes to weight gain are processed foods and refined carbohydrates, not the natural fats in avocado. Rich in vitamins E, A, B1 and B2, monounsaturated fats, and minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus, and magnesium. Avocado also increases HDL cholesterol, known as the good cholesterol. 10 reasons to eat avocado. 1. Bone health. Rich in minerals such as zinc, calcium, copper, phosphorus, and selenium, avocado prevents osteoporosis and increases bone mineral density. It is ideal for those suffering from arthritis due to its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce pain and inflammation. 2. Good digestion. With a high fiber content, avocado aids digestion and intestinal function, preventing problems like diarrhea and constipation. The fibers also promote a feeling of fullness, helping with weight control. 3. Oral health. The flavonoids in avocado have antioxidant and antibacterial properties, helping to eliminate bacteria in the mouth and reducing bad breath, providing fresher breath. 4. Healthy skin and hair. Avocado is rich in vitamins such as beta-carotene and lycopene, which hydrate the skin and hair. If you suffer from dry skin or hair, include avocado in your diet and enjoy its revitalizing effects. 5. Eye health. Due to its high carotenoid content, regular consumption of avocado protects the eyes and prevents eye diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration, keeping your vision healthy longer. 6. Prevention of bad breath. Eating avocado at lunch helps keep your breath fresh throughout the day. It is easy to chew and removes food particles from the teeth, complementing good oral hygiene. 7. Healthy nails. The biotin in avocado strengthens nails. Applying avocado oil to your nails and cuticles before bed, especially if they are weak and brittle, can work wonders. 8. Natural aphrodisiac. Rich in essential nutrients for sexual health, such as beta-carotene, magnesium, and vitamin E. Avocado can boost libido and improve sexual performance, providing a healthier, intimate life. 9. Cardiovascular health. The omega and anti-inflammatory fats in avocado benefit heart health, preventing cardiovascular diseases and helping to keep blood pressure under control. 10. Rich in vitamin E. Avocado is excellent for preventing cholesterol oxidation, contributing to overall health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Avocado mayonnaise recipe. Ingredients: half a medium avocado, juice of 1 lemon Himalayan or sea salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, fresh herbs to taste instructions. Place all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. Serve as a dressing for salads, sandwiches, or as desired. Do you usually eat avocado? Did you enjoy learning about its benefits? Share this video on your social media so more people can learn this valuable information. If you've watched until here, leave a leaf emoji in the comments to let us know you watched the video to the end. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we will respond as soon as possible. To ensure you don't miss any of our future tips and recipes, like this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay healthy and see you soon. Bye-bye.